Antonio Sayan here. Rock your ride. And here I am in a 2020 Black Camaro. That's right. And it's the LT1. Check this out. That's what you want to hear. Beautiful thing. Let's go for a ride. Hey, Antonio Sayan here. Welcome to Rock Your Ride. Do me a favor. Hit that like button and notification bell. Smack it if you can. As hard as you can. Just don't break your computer. How's that? Okay? And don't forget to subscribe. So reach out to me here on my new channel, Rock Your Ride. Let's go for a ride with a Camaro LT1. That's right. Rock your ride. Beautiful thing. It's packing 455 horsepower. V8. God bless. It's all good. As you can see, I recommend this car to everyone. I want you guys to see this in front of me. Cortez Road and 75th Street here in Bradenton, Florida. I see this almost every day. Accidents. Now this one's crazy, you know? It's just, I don't get it. I really don't get it. It's like everywhere I turn around, there's an accident happening. You know? This is a pure example. You know, this happens almost every single day when I'm driving back and forth. And it's like, I feel like I'm playing Russian roulette with myself. You know? Because it's not me. It's them. They just don't focus. They don't pay attention. It's crazy. Wow. Look at that. I mean, I don't think anybody got hurt. Well, I hope not. But I don't know if somebody's in the car or... But here they come. Here comes the ambulance. You know? Wow. Anyway, that's why it's good to have a GoPro. You know? Because these people here, they cut you off. They come out of nowhere. It's like they don't see you when you're there. Like, it's unbelievable. You know, I'm from New York, so it's not like New York City. You have defense drive in New York, you know? But when you come here, it's very hard to predict these people. They just throw themselves at you out of the blue. You know? It's like they don't have a turn signal. They don't have nothing. They just throw themselves. And they love to tailgate. They're right up your ass, you know, which again, I don't understand. So I'm trying to rock your ride in this Camaro LT1, you know. But man, I tell you, I told you, I was in an accident on Mother's Day. On Mother's Day, I was in a restaurant eating, and the girl was in a truck and she hit me. She backed up and she hit me. I wasn't even in the car. She just backed up and hit my twice. So go figure that, you know. So I mean, I didn't have to pay anything. Look at it, you know. I wish I had the GoPro behind me, because this guy almost hit me making a U-turn behind me. I mean, it's kind of ridiculous, to be honest with you. Anyway, the woman hit me, and luckily she didn't leave, you know. She came inside the restaurant to look for me. But it's scary. It's scary. Anyway, check out Rock Your Ride. Subscribe, like, and hit that bell, okay, for notifications. And please keep safe and drive safely, okay? God bless. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Rock your ride. Stay tuned. Peace out.